Welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane Williams and Paul Mason, where they share the latest manufacturing and tech news and explore innovative solutions to help you improve your business.
Mel, welcome to Manufacturing Tech Australia. Thanks for coming on the show.
Yeah, thanks for having us, Paul.
So, Trimatt Star, you guys just won the Machinery Manufacturing Award at the recent APPEX Awards on Wednesday night.
We absolutely did.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Just looking at all this awesome stuff you've got here, like a bunch of different models of this printing on demand for all this kind of food packaging.
Short run on demand CMYK digital printing.
It's fantastic. Yep. Why don't you tell us a bit about it?
This is the versatile model in the range. It's the most popular by far. Mm-hmm. It is able to print an unlimited range of products.
Yep.
We have a full cabinet here of
yep.
An example of those products that are on offer
awesome.
For short run on demand printing. There is such a market here in Australia
yep.
and overseas. For short run on demand printing,
sure.
Keeping manufacturing in Australia.
Yeah, I mean, it makes so much sense, doesn't it? Because small country, we've got, a mountain of different products. Small runs is what we do in Australia.
That's right.
Of everything, right?
And also with such a push for sustainable packaging, mm-hmm. This is a machine that just slots right in.
Right.
And customers here at the show are seeing the value.
Okay.
And purchasing the machine for their packaging
yep.
And print businesses. Mm-hmm. We have e-commerce companies, such a range of companies that are
yep.
interested in doing short run on demand printing.
Awesome.
It means they don't have to keep as much stock.
Yep.
They can print SKUs on demand. Perfect for coffee companies. We've got such a lot of roasters who are got a roaster coming in here shortly, actually flying in from Sydney this morning just to see this machine.
Oh wow.
And that's common.
Yeah, it's spot on. I've been to so many businesses where there's like racking, like just pallets, like endless racking of just pre-printed materials and packaging just ready to go.
That's
for
right.
hundreds
so you can
of different SKUs.
save on warehouse costs.
Yeah.
Just don't need to have that space available for pre-printed stock. And there's so many businesses out there that just want 500 delivered a week.
Yep.
They don't want to have to store 10,000.
Right.
So you can lower your minimum order quantities.
Yep.
And obviously companies can charge a premium for on-demand short runs.
Right.
Yep.
So you guys sell the equipment.
We do, yes.
And what type of materials can you print on?
Primarily uncoated paper and cardboard, porous natural fibres.
Yep.
So you can see you've got your, all sorts of boxes, all sorts of paper bags, any paper product. It can do even cotton tote bags, sugarcane clamshells.
Cool.
So many different products.
Yep.
Yeah, we're really proud of this system. It has height adjust, up to 100 millimetres height adjust. Mm-hmm. It has angle adjust, so for coffee bags with valves, we can get a really nice clean print, crisp printing.
Oh, that's great.
We can overhang products,
mm-hmm.
no problem at all. So you can run quite a wide box.
Yep.
Straight off the edge and have no issues there.
Are you seeing manufacturers buy this kind of kit for their own stuff, or is
all
it
sorts of size?
Or is it more sort of printers buying this?
Absolutely, yeah. Handled bag, paper bag manufacturers are buying this system with our auto bag feeder.
Yep.
Because we're a manufacturing engineering business, we build feeders to suit products to go with this system.
Oh, great. We
can also add labelling systems,
yep.
Even inspection systems need be.
Okay, fantastic. And I love this one because it's in line, you can just pump them
That's
through.
That's right. Look,
you've got a baby one and a big one as well.
Yes, various models in the range just to suit our customers' needs. And we listen to our customers' needs and build to suit. So this runs at 27 metres a minute, which is pretty quick.
Yep.
I can demonstrate that for you.
That'd be great if you want to fire
Perfect,
it up. Sure.
Yes. Just a moment. Get that up for you.
Shane's just been given the sack here. Thanks, mate. Thanks, Matt.
put a few extra bags in there. Sorry, I didn't prepare this a bit earlier.
So is it mainly mainly bag manufacturers or manufacturers who are filling goods? I guess a bit of both, right?
Yes, a bit of both, and all sized companies.
Yeah. Is it
everything from really big to small businesses?
Is it sort of affordable for people making small coffee manufacturers and stuff like that?
You can have this system as you see it here for $70 a day.
Yeah, right.
Yep, very affordable.
That's certainly going to save a lot of.
And we're also selling a print. The print that you see here, those bags aren't perfect, so we might not have a perfect result there.
Oh, that looks good.
Not too bad. Yep, that's pretty good.
Nice. Look at this.
And so we can do variable data printing as well because it's PDF images that we're uploading. We can do a multi-page PDF.
Yep.
So that opens lots of so considering those bags weren't perfect, that's a pretty good result. Really good result, actually.
What type of what kind of bag is this?
That is a craft paper outer.
Oh, it's got a foil inner too.
With foil inside. So people are wanting to move to more sustainable options.
Totally.
And just being able to put your expiry date on that day. Mm-hmm. It's just making life so much easier.
That's great.
The coffee roasters are loving it.
I'm seeing your pizza boxes and I'm thinking when I order my margarita pizza, it's like Paul's Margarita written on top,
Oh, yeah. Look, it's so good. And, these little pizza cafes, they just don't have the space to store. So these packaging companies can just be delivering, 500 a week, and they can have their marketing material printed that week on their box.
Great, perfect. Don't have to hold it all.
They could put the owner's face on their box or change it. I don't know. Just so many different ideas open up. But like I say, there's a range. This is the latest Box Pro, so that offers up to $891 printing. So instead of printing a pizza box, we would do it on this machine this way, short edge leading. We can go long edge leading through that machine, so we can put more product through. Yeah. We're very happy. Thank you so much.
Mel, thanks for coming on the show.
Great. Thanks for having us, Paul.
Thanks for tuning in to Manufacturing Tech Australia with Shane and Paul.